Do you know someone who loves NASA and space? Send them this video. Explorer 1 on January 31st, 1958. NASA launched Explorer 1, America's first satellite. Built for about $1 million, it carried instruments that discovered the Van Allen radiation belts surrounding Earth. This small spacecraft marked the beginning of America's journey into space. Freedom 7, Mercury. On May 5, 1961, astronaut Alan Shepard launched aboard Freedom 7 during Project Mercury. The short suborbital mission lasted only 15 minutes, but it proved Americans could survive spaceflight and safely return to Earth. Friendship 7, Mercury. On February 20th, 1962, astronaut John Glenn became the first American to orbit Earth aboard Friendship 7. The mission completed 3 orbits and proved the United States could match its Soviet achievements during the intense space race. Apollo 11. On July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 launched toward the Moon. 4 days later, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed in the Sea of Tranquility. Armstrong's historic step marked the first time humans walked on another world. Voyager 1 on September 5, 1977. NASA launched Voyager 1 to explore the outer planets. The spacecraft captured stunning images of Jupiter and Saturn, and today travels through interstellar space, becoming the farthest human-made object ever. Hubble Space Telescope. On April 24, 1990, NASA launched the Hubble Space Telescope aboard a space shuttle. Orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies and helped scientists understand the expansion of the universe. Mars Pathfinder. On July 4, 1997, Mars Pathfinder landed successfully and deployed the small rover Sojourner. The mission demonstrated that robotic vehicles could explore Mars, paving the way for future advanced rovers. Curiosity rover. On August 6, 2012, the Curiosity rover landed on Mars using a daring sky crane system. It discovered evidence that ancient Mars once had conditions capable of supporting microbial life. Perseverance rover. On February 18, 2021, Perseverance landed in Jezero crater on Mars. It searches for signs of ancient life and collects rock samples that future missions may bring back to Earth. James Webb Space Telescope launched on December 25, 2021. The James Webb Space Telescope observes the universe in infrared light, allowing scientists to see the earliest galaxies formed after the Big Bang. Apollo 8. On December 21, 1968, Apollo 8 became the first human mission to orbit the Moon. The astronauts circled the lunar surface 10 times and captured the famous Earthrise photograph, forever changing how humanity saw our fragile planet. Skylab on May 14, 1973, NASA launched Skylab, America's first space station. Astronauts spent weeks living and working in orbit, conducting solar observations and medical research that helped scientists understand long-duration spaceflight. Viking 1, Mars lander. On July 20, 1976, Viking 1 successfully landed on Mars. It sent back the first detailed images from the Martian surface and conducted experiments searching for microbial life, beginning humanity's direct exploration of the Red Planet. Space Shuttle Columbia. On April 12, 1981, Space Shuttle Columbia launched the first reusable spacecraft mission. The shuttle program enabled hundreds of satellite deployments, scientific experiments, and construction of the International Space Station.